Here I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. I'll go with English, then tap Get Started. Next you have to select your region. I'll just go with the United Kingdom. Tap Next. Next you have to agree with terms of use. Next you can insert a SIM card, but if you don't have one, you can just do this later and just skip it for now. Next you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Next you have to tap Next. One more time. Next you can set your device protection. If you want, you can set your fingerprint, face recognition, set password, but you can do all of this later in settings, so you can just skip this step for now. There are next enchanted services. You can enable all services. You can set them up or just disline them. All these services. Next you can import your old data from your older device. If you want, you can just download from the cloud, or you can just set your device as new by tapping here, and that's it. Your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.